Hello everyone and welcome to my classroom. Today we are going to learn an exciting letter, the letter E. But before we start the letter E, we are taking a small recap of previous letter. I am going to show you some letters. Letter A. Letter A make the sound A. Letter B make the sound B. Letter C make the sound K. And letter D make the sound D. When we see the letter E, we make the sound A. This is letter E. This is uppercase E and this is lowercase e. Can you make the sound with me? A. A. Letter E make the sound A. Okay kids, are you ready? Are you ready for the ear tracing with me? Show me your two fingers. First of all, I am telling you the letter E have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, join your two fingers and do the ear tracing with me. The uppercase A has 4 lines. The first line go down. First line go down. And then 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. Good job. Do it with me again. Start from the top. Go down. Go down. And 3 lines go across. 1, 2, 3. Let's do the lowercase e. The first one beside like this go around almost like a circle. Let's do one more time. First one beside like this go around like circle. Let's do the practice on the board. First line go down like this. That go across. 1, 2 and 3. Good job. And lowercase e, start from the line number 2. The first one beside like this, go around, make a circle. The first one beside like this, go around like circle. This is uppercase E and this is lowercase e. Letter E make the sound A. Let's repeat with me these letters. Letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D and letter E. Letter A make the sound A. Letter B make the sound B. Letter C make the sound K. Letter D make the sound D. D after letter E. Letter E make the sound A. Letter E make the sound A. I am going to show you some picture that start from the letter E. Do you know whose name start from the letter E? If you know, then tell me any three pictures name or any three names write in the comment section. And do you know the which thing start from the letter E? Okay, I'm going to show you some pictures. E for envelope. A envelope. A envelope. Envelope start from the letter E. Egg. Egg. Letter E sound A. Egg. Envelope. Egg. Eagle. Eagle. Eyes. Eyes. Elephant. 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 Envelope. Envelope start from letter E. Eagle. Eagle. Eagle start from the letter E. Elephant. Elephant. Elephant start from the letter E. Egg. Egg. Egg start from letter E. Eyes. Eyes. Eyes start from letter E. A, B, K, D, A. So children, have you all enjoyed today's class? Revise this letter at home. In the next class, teacher will introduce a new letter. Do you know which letter after come letter E? If you know the name of the next letter, write in the comment section. It's time to go. Bye for the now new face. Show me a happy face, kids. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.